What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. Let's do a quick TA on QNT. Man, what a move. I want to see from this to here. 11%. Pretty good. Wow. QNT really turned it around. In any case, right now, QNT is the only one that's green. Oh, I guess SHIB is green too. But $30 billion flowed into the market today. So that's why we have this nice little pump. DXY, however, is pushing up, and I think that's why everything is kind of pushing down a little bit right now. The big thing we need to look for is we need to hold above. We need to see the total crypto market cap push to 1 trillion. If the total crypto market cap can push to 1 trillion, then there's going to be a bigger push. On the day for a lot of the charts, QNT looks a lot different. QNT looks like it's ready to continue to push up, at least on the day. It could easily turn around, so we'll have to wait and see. But in any case, I believe we're going to reach the overbought territory somewhere between 142 and 144. It looks like 143.50 seems to be kind of respected. So it's going to get a little choppy around here, but the major resistance that I actually have marked out is 144. Be sure to add plus or minuses on these targets, but those are essentially going to be your three nearest short-term bearish targets. 142, 40, 142.42, and about 143.45, and then 144, I think are going to be the stops. There's more at play. You could feel free and pause the video if you'd like to see these other targets. Um, but again, actually, this chart does look a little bit different than Ethereum and BTC, so we'll kind of have to wait and see. These are your higher targets. However, if you're bearish, um, we're just gonna have to utilize the same targets as before. So I'm just gonna call the nearest three targets. And actually, give me 1 second. I may need to draw a fib just to gauge where we're at. I'm gonna gauge from the support all the way up to, let's say, this one, to gauge where we're at. Because if I'm gonna call bearish targets between 138 and between 138 and 134. Okay. So here's what I'm looking. They're not really lining up though. Maybe this chart is not good. I'll probably have to realign a new chart just to gauge where we're at. But for now, let's go ahead and use the support and resistances that I have. So if you are bearish, 138.89 is going to be your next leg down. From there, it's going to be 134, then 131. These are the three major resistances that I have marked out. Obviously, these are all micro fibs at this point. Um, and I'll have to calibrate a fib chart that kind of lines up with that. But in any case, that's really all I like for QNT. So be sure to trade safe, trade smart. Peace.